Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to download historical weather data from NOAA website, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. So let's go. Paste the link to NOAA website given in the description below. Alright, we are in NOAA website and we'll try to fetch historical weather data now. Uh, to fetch historical weather data, you have to select the dataset type. There are various options like daily summary, global summary of the month. In this demonstration I would show you how to extract daily weather record. It could be few months back, few years back, or few days back. Depending on your need, you can select dataset of your choice. I'll select daily summaries, which will include daily temperature, minimum, maximum temperature, etc. Also, you have to select the date range from where to where you want a weather report. For example, here I am selecting a weather report for first 8 months of year 2020, and also you can extract weather record on the basis of country, state, city, or zip code. Today I'm gonna extract historical weather report of Pune city, so I'll select cities in this option and type the city name in this text box, like I'm typing Pune city, then press search button. It would take you to this screen which will show you uh, a map and the record. You will press add to cart. The record will be added to your cart. Now you have to place the order for the record. Alright, now we have to select the type of format in which we want data. You can take it in PDF format, CSV format, or plain text. I would uh, here select CSV format. Also note the date range for which data is requested. Now we will review the order. You can review the order by clicking view full details. You can see the details over here. This start represents the and end represents the record that NAOAA has. They have record from 1901 till now, and they have 100% coverage, that is they have daily record. You can also see the station list. Stations are small towns within the Pune cities. There are 12 stations here. I would like to add the weather record of this station also. You can also see what data is being uh, presented in this record, the precipitation record and temperature record. Going back, select station list and add all the desirable stations which you want. I'll add all the stations by clicking add button, like this. Add all the station. There are 12 station total. I want the record of all the 12 station. Next page. Alright. Alright, go to the cart and view list of your orders. You can recheck your order. Here is the list of towns, various towns listed in your order. View details of any town, record included in any town by clicking view details, as you can see, like this. Let's go back and submit the order by clicking the continue button. Now in the next screen it will ask for various details you want in your request. For example, the precipitation, air temperature, etc. In precipitation you will get detail about the precipitation. In temperature you will get average temperature, minimum, maximum temperature. Click continue. Now it will show you the summary of your order. Now you have to write your email address to which they'll send the link to download your data. Following submission you will see this page having check order status button. You will also receive two emails regarding your order. The first email which you will receive will contain the acknowledgement that you have or placed a order, and you can check that order by clicking view summary. Here, here you will see the download button is currently inactive. In the second email you will get a active download button from where you can download your requested data. Here I have received the second email containing the download button. Hit the download button and your download will be started. On being completely downloaded, open the file with the appropriate program. As you can see, I have received the data showing daily average temperature, minimum temperature. Cells which are blank there are have no data, so they are left blank. They are either left blank or filled with multiple hash or multiple line. So that was all about fetching historical weather data. Do subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.